Hello, everybody. Welcome to another episode of React Roundup. My name is TJ Van Tol, and with me today on the panel is Paige Niedringhaus.
Hey, everyone.
And our guest today is Yash. Oh, man, I'm going to do it. Yash Garudkar? Hopefully I got that correct.
That's correct.
I got it. Excellent.
Did you work your tail off to get that senior developer gig just to realize that senior dev doesn't actually mean dream job? I've been there too. My first senior developer job was at a place where all of our triumphs were the bosses and all the failures were ours. The second one was a great place to continue to learn and grow, only for it to go under due to poor management. And now I get job offers from great places to work all the time. Not only that, but the last job interview I actually sat in was a discussion about how much my podcast had helped the people interviewing me. If you're looking for a way to get into your dream job, then join our Dev Heroes Accelerator. Not only will we help you get the kind of exposure that makes you attractive to your dream employer, but you'll be able to ask them for top dollar as well. Check it out at devheroesaccelerator.com.
Yash, why don't you start by telling us who you are, why you're famous, all those good sorts of things.
Yeah, so hello everyone. First of all, Paige and TJ, and I'm really glad to be here. Thank you for having me. I started doing community work and writing a few blogs here and there, and I started to get recognition from there. So getting little sessions and doing talks for my friends and my colleagues and aspiring software engineers or React developers, more specifically.
Cool. Well, I know there's a couple of things we wanted to talk about today. So one of them is about a blog post you wrote about working with AWS. So maybe you could talk a little bit about how you found AWS, what got you into it, what sort of made you want to write about it as well.
Yeah. So a friend of mine works in a company named, I don't really remember, but that company works with Amazon to build the products, right? So he has a good knowledge in backend in AWS. So he introduced me to AWS, and he was a AWS community builder of sorts. So he gave me all the resources where I can learn it. So I'm still on the track. I'm still learning. And I thought about why not create something and create a blog about it, right? So I created a blog, and that's it. It went off.
Do you want to explain to people that are new to AWS, just the very beginner, what the AWS is and what some of the tech that's most sort of applicable to a React audience?
Yeah. So if you are a React developer and you are trying to build a backend with AWS, so it is pretty much everything is available with AWS, right? So you want to build an ML application, an AI